Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. I picked up a GoPro Hero 9 Black the other day because they just dropped the price on these, most likely because they're coming out with a new version soon. But the video quality out of this was more than what I needed for some of the work that I was intending to do with it. But my concern with this camera is that even though it's waterproof, if you drop it in the water, it sinks and it will live at the bottom of the sea if you have no diver to retrieve it. So I picked up an accessory along with the camera when I bought it, which is this thing called the GoPro handler. What it's got on the top here is your typical GoPro mount. You just slide your camera in and snap it into place, and you've got yourself a neat little handle. The handle component here is a foam grip, so it's got a nice rough finish to it, even when it's wet. And it's a little squishy too, so you can get a really good grip on it and know that you have a good grip on it even when it is wet. And you'll notice here at the bottom that it's orange, and when you drop this in the water with the camera attached, it will float upside down like this. And I did that a little bit earlier just to make sure it did in fact float. And here you can see me dropping it in the water deeper than the full length of the GoPro and handle configuration here. And sure enough, even with the waves going, it was able to keep the orange part here above water, and I was able to grab it and retrieve it. Now, in addition to it being very buoyant, you also have an adjustable wrist strap on here to keep it firmly attached to you if you're going out surfing or some other crazy water activity that I likely will not be doing. But if you are even just a boater or somebody that gets near boats every once in a while like me, it's just kind of a nice peace of mind to have this, knowing that if you drop it, you're going to be able to get your camera back more than likely. And I was shooting around with it a little bit too, and it's just comfortable to hold. I really like how squishy it is. So I found it to be a nice shooting tool, even if you don't get near water either. So fun little handle here from GoPro, definitely worth checking out if you're afraid of losing your camera underwater. In full disclosure, I paid for the handler here and my camera with my own funds. All the opinions you just heard were my own. No one paid for this review, nor did anyone review or approve what you just saw before it was uploaded. Thanks for watching, and we'll do some more on the GoPro very soon. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Hot Sauce and Video Games, Brian Parker, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Thomas Anfang, Jim Tanis, and Handheld Obsession. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.